It's Greg from Northtown Volkswagen, and today we're going to review on how to set up your MyVW app. To set up my MyVW app, scroll down to set up CarNet, take out your camera, scan the QR code, log into our MyVW app, and to start the car, simply hit start. To stop the car, simply hit stop. Same thing with locking and unlocking, as well as to set off the alarm or flash the lights.
Okay.
To deep dive into more features on the app, you can set a boundary limitation where you'll get an alert if the vehicle leaves a certain area. You can set a curfew where you will get notified if the vehicle is turned on after a certain time. A speed warning, where when a vehicle goes over a certain speed, you will get a warning and a notification, and valet mode, where you'll get a warning if the vehicle leaves your area of 0.2 miles. All of our service features are up next, from scheduling your next service appointment. If there's any open recalls, and any service history can be all accessed right on your phone. You have a GPS satellite navigation where it will show your current position of the vehicle, and it will also give you turn-by-turn directions towards that vehicle. And last but not least is your profile, just in case you need to update anything to do with your profile. Thanks for watching us with Volkswagen CarNet and App Connect. Thanks for tuning in. Check us out at Northtown Volkswagen.